Let's make a plate made of Play-Doh. You will need some Play-Doh, a ruler, a round bowl, and non-stick surface. Roll the Play-Doh to create a long string. Roll it into a spiral shape and continue making them. Press it together so that they stick to each other. Great! This time, put the long strings side by side and press them together so that they stick to each other. Then cut them into long strips with the ruler. Flip every other strip so that it looks like a mosaic. Press them lightly once again. Nice! Put the plate over a round bowl or press it into the bowl to create a curvy plate. Let it dry for 1 week. Once they are dried, take them off. If you put on another layer, you can make it stronger. Look, the Play-Doh plates became curved. Do you want to try it with me? It will be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!